What is abatement in public nuisance law? Imagine walking down a street and noticing a building with a broken window that's been left unrepaired for months, or smelling something foul coming from a nearby factory. These situations could be considered public nuisances. But how do communities handle these problems? That's where abatement comes into play. Abatement in public nuisance law is all about fixing or removing things that harm the community's health, safety, or comfort. When something causes trouble for many people, authorities step in to stop it. This could mean tearing down unsafe buildings, shutting down businesses that emit bad odors, or stopping activities that disturb the peace. The goal is to make the neighborhood better for everyone. Both government officials and private citizens can be involved in abatement. Usually, local government agencies like city or town officials are responsible for enforcing these laws. They can send notices to property owners asking them to fix or remove the problem. If owners ignore these notices, authorities can take legal action. This might include court orders or fines to make sure the nuisance gets addressed. The actions taken during abatement must be reasonable. For example, if a building is dangerous, tearing it down quickly makes sense. But if someone tries to remove a harmless object or overreacts, they could be held liable for causing damage. The law expects measures to be necessary and proportionate to the problem. In some places, abatement is part of community efforts to keep neighborhoods safe and clean. Cities might use building codes, zoning laws, or fire safety rules to deal with nuisances. Property owners usually get notices telling them to fix issues within a certain time frame, like 30 days. If they don't, authorities can step in and do the work themselves, then bill the owner. Now, some quirky state laws make abatement even more interesting. In certain areas, unusual structures or bizarre behaviors are considered nuisances. For example, a law might requiring removing a strange sculpture or stopping odd public acts. Sometimes, the process involves very specific steps, like removing objects over a certain size or stopping activities at specific hours. Understanding abatement helps you avoid public nuisance fines. If you own property, it's smart to keep an eye out for notices and fix problems quickly. Knowing what counts as a nuisance and how authorities handle it can save you from costly penalties. Whether it's fixing a broken fence, cleaning up environmental hazards, or stopping disruptive behaviors, abatement is the legal way communities keep order and protect public comfort.